How to transfer your information to Google Calendar on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your information to Google Calendar on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then just click these three lines in the top corner and now click settings and privacy and then settings and now just go down until you find this one. Transfer a copy of your information and here click next and then click this one, Google Calendar, and just manage anything you want and click next. And now just connect your Facebook with Google Calendar, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.